Hey everybody, what's up? This is your boy Tin Man here with another Let's Code video. Today we're doing Leetcode problem 1342. Number of steps to reduce a number to 0. Remember to hit that like button if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Helps the channel out. I'm just starting out here. So, alright, let's see. Let's read the problem. It's an easy. It's got 472 upvotes, 54 downvotes. There's always got to be some haters. Let's read the problem. Given a non-negative integer num, non-negative, okay, so it's positive number num, return, even if I'm thinking like a problem like this, if it was negative, just make it the absolute value. Who cares? So, who cares? Given a number, return the number of steps to reduce it to 0. Okay, so the number of steps. Okay. If the current number is even, you have to divide it by 2. Otherwise, meaning it's odd, you have to subtract 1. Okay, so that seems pretty easy. I guess let's just, for the sake of completeness, look at the example. Well, I like to look at the constraints first. So the number could be anywhere from 0. It could be 0, actually, so I guess we need that case, to this really big number. I don't know what that is, like a million? 10 to the 6? Seems huge. So let's see. They give the number 14, and they have an output of 6. Let's just, before we look at their thing, let's just play this out. So we're given the number 14. Right, so what was the rule if it was even? What were those rules? If it's even, divide by 2. So let's write those rules somewhere. So even, we're going to do divide by 2. And if it's odd, I think it said we subtract 1. Right? If you have to subtract 1. All right, so if it's odd, we're going to do minus 1. So with 14, we're going to go, I guess in a for loop, we're going to check it's even. Cool. So step 1, we're going to turn it into 7. Now it's odd. So step 2, we're going to make it 6. This is even. Man, that's a terrible 6. Step 3. And we're going to make it 3, right? Step 4, we are going to subtract 1, so it'll be 2. It's not 0. Oh, at every one of these arrows, I guess, we have to ask, is it 0? No. Okay, keep going. So 2, is 2 0? No, keep going. We're on step 5. 2 is even, so we're going to divide 2 by 2. So we're going to get 1. So this is kind of like getting to our base case. Is 1 0? No. So step 6, subtract 1, and now it's 0. So 6 steps. Let's see what they had. 6 steps. All right, so that's the algorithm. It's just really just a for loop with. So if you take this, if you boil this down to like a program language, we just have a for loop that checks for. Oh shoot, I could actually probably write it here like a real whiteboard interview. So let I equal to. Oh wait, but how's it gonna go? How many? It's really not like a for loop actually. Like it's a while loop, right? Like while I is not equal to 0 kind of thing. So let's see. Would it be something like while whatever this value is, like value is not equal to 0, right? We're gonna it's so much easier to to write like this. Let's see. Value, while the value is not equal to 0, right? If value, I should have just done v, but I hate that. If value value modulo 2 equal to 0. So if it's even, then you're going to divide by 2, so it'll be like value is equal to value divided by 2, you know, with like math floor, I guess, in there. Just in case, you know, it's like the decimalization or whatever. Else, we're going to just do value is equal to value minus 1. And that's really it. And then like return value, right? Or num, I guess, in this problem. So let's code that out in their editor and see how that works. So here we go. Number of steps. And we got num. Let's look at the thing again. While value. So just jump right into it. While num is not equal to 0, if num modulo 2 is equal to 0, then num is equal to, what was it? Modulo 2, divide by 2. Num divide by 2 math.floor that bad boy, else num is equal to num minus 1. Just writing it the long way for now. And then return num. Let's see if this even works. Wrong answer. Okay, so output was 0. If while num isn't 0, what happened? It fell right through. Return. Oh, I have to return the number of steps. Duh, not the num. So fundamental flaw here. Fundamental flaw. So because I'm doing a while loop, I'm not even counting the steps. So let's do let steps equal to 0, and then each time through this loop, we're gonna do steps plus plus, and here we're gonna return steps. All right, so let's just submit it and see what happens. I'm sure there's an edge case we must have forgotten. No, we did not. So let's see. 76 milliseconds faster than 77% of all JavaScript online. All right. Well, that was the number of steps to reduce a number to 0. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to hit that like button if you did. And I don't know if you have a different way of doing it. Let me know in the comments. Thanks a lot.